Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to explain how you can create a new page in your projects and workspaces in the Plane Project Management application. So let us dive into this. So guys, navigate to Workspace in the Plane Project Management tool. Select your project on the left panel and expand it by clicking into it. And after that, select Pages. Now, as you can see, that project of mine contains already one test page. So if you'd like to create a new page, simply click into Add Page in the top right, and that is going to create your new page. And that's basically it. Now you can give it a title here, click into that field below to enter your first commands with the slash button, and after that select, for example, your first command like to-do list, and after that create your to-do list. And that's basically it, guys. Now if I click back into pages here, or here at the top, you will see the new pages or the new page that has been just added to that list. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.